Ever dread KYC paperwork? What if you could have an assistant that pulls all the relevant information together, formats it perfectly, and even tells you what's missing? No more hunting for company details, just drag, drop, and done. Let me show you how Claude makes KYC compliance actually painless. Let's go. Hey, Alex here from Grit AI Studio. Let me show you an awesome workflow to save hours of filling in KYC packages. I've spent my fair share of time with KYC processes over the years. Steal this KYC Assistant and stop retyping the same details over and over, thanks to Claude's file support. This is another lightning quick video, so for a more detailed walkthrough, make sure you check out our full guide to projects and working with files here. Okay, let's go. Set up a new project. Drop in your company docs like your code of conduct, annual report, T's and C's, or any prior KYC templates that you've filled out in the past. Then add this prompt as project instructions. Get the full prompt in the description below. You can now drop in your customer KYC template that needs filling out. Claude already knows what to do, so no need for any prompting at all. And there you have it, a filled-in KYC template and a summary of any missing answers that you need to review or fill in manually. Here's a final pro tip for you. After having filled in a few KYC templates, ask Claude to extract information from these forms and provide it to you in a JSON file that can be reused for filling out future KYC templates. Now you can take that JSON file, add it to your project, and now you have a well-formatted mini database inside your project that gives even quicker responses, and you can review and make sure it's updated and correct. As always, remember to be the human in the loop as the final step. Sometimes large and complex files might not work as expected, but try breaking it down into smaller parts or ask for an easy-to-read table with all the data nicely composed for a very quick copy-paste job. Still saves you a ton of time. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more power workflows like this one. I'll see you in the next one.